Let's now go across and welcome the management at GreenPanel Industries. They are joining us. Right now. Mr. V Venkatramani is with us, CFO at GreenPanel Industries. So, firstly, thank you so much for taking out time for us. You know, one of the reasons why your company has been one of the stock market favorites recently, because it seems that MDF is now growing at a much faster pace than the ply. What could be the reason of this, and what does this shift indicate?
Okay, I would say probably the first reason is that MDF has a much smaller base as compared to plywood, probably about 10 to 12% the size of the plywood industry. So that could be a reason why it's growing, because of the smaller base. And if you look at the recent quarters gone by, I would say there are 3 or 4 reasons. One, people are shifting from plywood to MDF because of the reluctance to allow carpenters into their houses to do the furniture. There could also be, down trading because MDF is significantly cheaper than the premium plywood. Third, we are penetrating deep into the cheap plywood segment, which is a market of about 4,000 to 5,000 crores. Imports of MDF have reduced due to constraints on availability of containers and ships and increase in ocean freight rates. And finally, India is now becoming a hub for furniture exports to US and Europe because of anti-China sentiments in those countries. So since ready-made furniture is primarily manufactured from MDF, that's also giving a strong boost to our industry.
Right. So also just wanted to understand that which are the markets that are looking very robust for MDF, and does that mean you can take price hikes in those markets?
Okay, so we are growing faster in the smaller towns and cities. The metros and the larger cities are still significantly impacted because of COVID. So we are seeing marginal growth or degrowth in the larger towns and cities. But market shares have increased significantly in the smaller towns and cities pan-India. So if you look at our contribution from the larger towns and cities, that has probably reduced from about 55% in the past to about 40% currently. And whereas there's been a significant increase in the contribution from the smaller towns and cities.
Right, so thank you so much, sir, for taking out time for us. Would have really liked to continue the interaction, but we have limited time. That's why thanking you right now. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us the perspective.